Today I'm going to show you one of the lowest price 4-bed, 3-bath new construction homes available in all of the Tradition and PGA areas of Port St. Lucie, under $500,000. This is one of my newest listings, so if you're looking for a home like this, my name is Raphael. I'm a realtor here and I can help you find the right place to call home and work with you throughout the process to make it happen. Be the first to live in this private lakeview new construction home available in a gated community located between Tradition and St. Lucie West and PGA. With easy access to multiple I-95 exits, which is perfect for commuters, this contemporary 4-bed, 3-bath home is spacious with a huge open kitchen appointed with white cabinetry, quartz countertops and backsplash, tile throughout the entire home, so no carpet, and 8-foot doors. You could enjoy this classy yet modern design for years to come. Have peace of mind with hurricane impact windows and energy efficient design, saving you money each month with spray foam insulation and their smart home technology package. Turnkey, move-in ready with washer dryer, window blinds, gutters, and a screen enclosed covered lanai in the backyard overlooking the lake and the preserve. This private community has a low HOA, which takes care of the gates and the lawn care, and no CDD, unlike nearly every other community in the area. You're located right between Tradition and St. Lucie West for all of your entertainment and shopping needs, and you're close to I-95, which is great for commuters, as I mentioned, as well as for avid travelers heading down to Miami or up to Orlando. And at the time I'm recording this video, this community is actually officially built out and sold out. So if you're interested in scheduling a tour or want more information about this home, call or email me directly at the number on the screen. I don't work for the builder. I am an independent realtor that specializes in new construction and newly built homes and can help work with you throughout the process with any home or community that you ultimately decide to call your own. So if you're interested in this home or even something else like this here in Port St. Lucie, you can reach out to me directly and I would be able to help you along the entire process, whether you're looking for something for sale or to build, and represent you in buying or selling a home anywhere here on the Treasure Coast.